Good morning. As a part of our 75 years of Indian independence Diamond Jubilee celebrations, we salute people born on that particular day, every day of the year, and here we are. Today is 3rd of October, and we start our salutations with Sri Raja Man Singh Man Singh II. He was born on 3rd October 1672. He was the Maharaja of Mewar, Rajasthan. He formed an alliance against the Mughals by bringing together the local Rajput princes to fight against the Mughals. He is famous not only for that, he opposed the jizya tax collected by the Muslims from the non-Muslims in our country, and he opposed even the hair tax, which was meant to discourage Hindu pilgrims. The next great person is Sri Lakshmi Narayan Sahu, born on 3rd October in Orissa in 1890. He is a great poet and social reformer, a multi-talented person who supported public education and folk arts. He was a member of the Constituent Assembly of India, and he participated with very strong gusto in high voltage debates for what is right. Next is Sri Bhagat Singh Thind, USA. He was born on 3rd October 1892 in Punjab, British India, and later migrated to the United States. He is a human rights activist, and after his immigration to the USA, he became the voice of endorsement to the cause of Indian freedom from the US. He opposed violent options but worked for the freedom of our country by gaining support from the Indians staying abroad. The next great person is Sri Munsukhlal Jhaveri, born on 3rd October 1907 in Gujarat. He is a poet of the Gandhian era with Gandhian ideologies. He had an important role and an initiative in the establishment of Gujarat Vidyapeeth as per the Gandhian ideology, and he is a contributor to the Indian Renaissance. Renaissance is the revival or renewal of interest in our Indian culture, heritage, spirituality, etc., which is the foundation for us to feel proud of ourselves and fight for our independence. So it is a forerunner concept of freedom, and Sri Munsukhlal Jhaveri promoted it through his poetry. These are the great people born on 3rd October, and along with these, there may be many others whom we might have missed. We salute to all of them. Vande Mataram.